Hello everybody. So since I already have my my Lenovo laptop disassembled, I already took the cover off. I had a few memories, brand new memories that I don't use, and I had a scan disk with 512 gigabytes. So I'm gonna replace it, and it's pretty much the same thing. The only thing I had to do was to take off the cover from this one. And the way you do it, you simply disconnect it from here. The scan disk. You just unplug it. Again, before you're gonna do all this, I highly recommend to wear anti-static wrist. And so what you do, once you take off the cover, you take off the disc, and then you remove the cover that I was on the previous disc, pass it to the new one. Uh, and just the process is just the same. Just connect it again, connect it in the same spot. As you can see right now, it's connected, and now all you have to do is make sure this cable it's outside side of the range, and just go ahead and reinstall. Just go ahead and reinstall. Make sure everything is pointing that way, and just attach it again. Uh, and make sure, because there's a screw that's going to go there, and again, make sure this cable it's in position. And in this case, it's right here. It goes underneath it goes underneath, and that's it. Now you're ready. um Also today I'm gonna upgrade my one of the RAMs. And so what you do is to remove the previous one, you just gotta push it from the side, and to reinstall it, so it's the same process. You uh, carefully attach it. So to uninstall the memory, all you have to do is push to the side, and this thing will come out. Installation is the same process. Now I'm not going to replace it because unfortunately the ones I have, they don't fit. So my advice, always make sure you have the right part. In this case, it's a little bit too small. It's a better quality, but unfortunately it will not fit. So I'm going to have to reinstall the previous one. And to do it, all you have to do, make sure you push it on the side. Again, I'm wearing my anti-static. Push it on the side, push it all the way. Make sure it's all the way in, and then just click, and it's ready to go. So now I still had this that only has 200 gigabytes. I replaced it for the 512 gigabytes. That's all for now. So to reinstall, you just place the cover again and attach all the screws. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.